The TX700 field HMIs have a real IP67 protection. That is more or less unique on the market and enables new mounting concepts and modern machine design without clumsy installation boxes. We focus with the field panels on HMI applications without Codesys PLC. Accordingly, TX Viso Pro is a primary software tool. So you can use all TX Viso Pro HMI protocols and OPC UA or MQTT to build a gateway between the IT and OT world. You can offer that into any kind of industry. The devices are supplied with Power over Ethernet and have Wi-Fi already on board. This is a totally new story. Have fun with it.